Hello friends, in this video I'm going to quickly unbox and review Kitchen Treasures ginger garlic paste. So I will tag some of the products ginger garlic paste so we can check the price and everything. So like the total amount is around 200 gram and 1 spoon paste contains almost 15 gram or half ginger or 4 to 5 garlic cloves they have mentioned there. So you will get approximate composition. In the back side you can see some of the usage instructions, also the nutritional facts like energy, protein and all those kind of stuff is there. Price is mentioned 67, but you can check the tagged products for if there is a good option or something. So this is in a tube like structure like a toothpaste, it comes here. So all you have to do that, you have to open it like this, then the seal will be broken. Then you press very gently, so you can see that the paste comes out. Okay, I don't want to take it out, so I will just showing it how it coming out, and it smells really nice. That's one thing I want to say. So there are multiple companies are doing this thing, so you can select accordingly. So thank you so much for watching this video. I will be sharing more informative videos.